So I got this opened, and as you can see, it comes with a little travel bag so it won't get scratched up. And then I'm opening it, which I probably should have done off camera, but I'm opening it. And as I'm happy to say, it has like a little wall socket, so I don't have to plug it into a USB port or anything like that. And I like that it has this little digital display. And then it has this to hold it. Then it comes with the charger, with the charger thing. And how do you turn it on? Ooh, I love the way it feels. It has a nice heavy-duty feel to it. Feels very metal, so I feel like it won't scratch or get dirty. It came at 5% charging, so I'm going to plug it in tonight and charge it up. But I have to say this, I'm very happy to have gotten. I think it's one of the things that I really, really, really wanted, so I'm very happy to have gotten it. And then the 3-in-1 Matt's Pocket, I'm very happy to have gotten because it's going to be an upgrade from what I have. And when I say an upgrade, the one I have from Anker still works. It's just bigger, so it's a bit awkward sometimes when I'm packing. It just takes up so much room. And this, look at this. It's so compact. It's palm size. And again, I have a small hand, so that's saying a lot. And so I'm just going to open it up right quick. And I'll use it tonight to charge my stuff. Because right now I have a charger for the watch, I have a charger for my cell phone, and then I have a charger for my AirPods. So that takes up 3 docking stations or dockers or whatever. And this would be much better for my all-in-one. And so, oh, cool. I'm so happy I got this. Literally, this is exactly what I was hoping to get. And I'm thinking to myself, if I don't get this, I might just buy it anyway since it's on sale. But since I got this, this is perfect. And so here's where you charge your watch. Here's where you charge your phone. And then I think you open it up. And this is how you charge your iPad, your AirPods. Very cool. I can't wait to try this out. It's very compact. It has the box to charge it with the wire. So this will be definitely much more compact than what I've been using the last couple of years. But again, I love it. I'm an Anker gal, and so I'm always using Anker products. I've used other electronic charging products in the past, which were always fine, but I just like Anker a lot. I like the way the design is. It's normally fairly compact, and I've never had any issues with them breaking or anything like that. And then there's this, and so it looks like you can, it's universal compatibility for fast charging for a wide range of devices, including your computer. So I'm an Apple person, so everything I have is Apple, so I don't care about the other product lines, but you can use it on Samsung and other devices. And then it has this active shield for safe charging, which is always really important. And then a total output of 200 watts, I think it is, across the USB-C and USB-A ports, and supports up to 100 watts for individual devices, including a comprehensive desktop charging station. So this is really cool. I'm not going to open this right now because, again, I already have a docking station that I use, but I might switch out and try this one because I think it might be a little bit smaller than the one I have. The one I've had for years. But I'm very happy with my surprise bots. I mean, my gosh, I got the 3 great items, and these were the 2 that I wanted. And then this one is just like a extra plus, so yay for me. Maybe it's a sign that I'll be all clear later this year with my medical issue. So this is Cherry, I'm talking tech, and let me know if you have tried the Anker surprise bots for this winter 2025, Black Friday 2025, and what you got. Thanks for watching. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe. So this is Cherry, and I'm talking tech. It's been a while, but I have always been fascinated by the Anker Mystery Box, and I'd always see it every year. I didn't really understand. I always thought it was you got a couple of items, and then you might get one of the bigger items that was at that price point. And then I realized after really reading it clearly, you will get either one item from the listed things you can get mystery wise, or you might get a surprise bundle. So I decided in celebration of my illness, I've gotten some really positive news earlier this week, and so I thought, you know what, I'm going to live a little and spend a little money and have an early Christmas gift to myself. And so I ordered the 2 Anker boxes, one for I think it was $59, and then one that was for $79. I knew exactly what I wanted at the $59 price point, and I knew what I wanted in the $79 price point. And then the other items that were in it, I was like, oh, well, this will be fine if I get any of these things for me. So the box is pretty heavy, so I think I might have gotten one of the bundles. So it looks like I got one of the bundle boxes. So I got one item in the box. I got the second item, mail order, and then I got a third item. And this is what I got, and now it's empty. So I got 3 items. So for me, this is going to turn out to be a really good bundle, I think. So the first item I got is the Matt's Pocket 3-in-1 charger, which is what I wanted. Yay. I already have an Anker charger, but the one I have is older and it's like long and kind of big. And I really wanted one that was compact for when I go out of town, so I can charge my cell phone, my Apple Watch, and my AirPods, which are all of which are older, but they still work, and that's all I care about. Anyway, so I'm really happy to have gotten this. And then I got the supercharged multi-port desktop charging station. I have a charging station already, with the one I have is kind of big, and this looks quite a bit smaller. It's kind of heavy though. So this is for multi-port desktop charging station, so I'd be able to charge at the same time my computer and other sundries. It looks like it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 charging options. And then the other surprise is the Unleash Hybrid Charging Anywhere power bank. And this is the other thing that I really, really wanted. because I have a couple of power banks, and normally I can only charge my cell phone one full charge and then half a charge. And this one looks like it can charge a lot more, and it's just more compact than the ones that I have, because normally I bring like 3 or 4, especially if I know I'm going to be gone all day. So let's open these up. Let's open these up so we can look at them a little bit closer. So this is the first thing I'm opening. Ah, my goodness. It's always hard when you have small hands and you're opening things. So this I'm super excited about because it appears to me like it has a wall socket, so I don't have to worry about bringing anything with me. I think emphasis on, I think it's a wall socket. I have to finish opening it up all the way. There you go. So I think it comes with a little container for when you travel, because this is a little heavy, but I'm totally happy because I know it charges a lot. So then, how do you unconnect it from this?